Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are here with the most trendy and favorite collection of Kubera softy fancy soft silk sarees. The material is very soft and light in weight. And about the design, beautiful and rich. Zari woven patterns are running throughout the body, along with a rich contrast tassels attached pallu and contrast blouse. This beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 1300 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making your orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. And please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number. Also, please note our payment mode is through online only. And if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate WhatsApp groups for pure cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. The links be there in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.